As the original inventor of the tubular skylight, Solatube know that one of the key components to any product that sits on your roof is going to be the roof flashing. Now, the roof flashing is the component that connects the dome or the solar roof ventilator to the roof sheet, and this is why you will not find any of the Solatube products in your local hardware store. The reason is that we don't offer a one-size-fits-all roof component or roof flashing, and we actually tailor to suit every single roof component so that you can guarantee that you're not going to have any leaks or roof issues. This is our 250 concrete tile flashing. It is very simple as it allows us to take one tile out and replace it with our standard flashing. Now, the main determination that you need to make is whether you have concrete tile or whether you have terracotta tile, because a terracotta tile is generally smaller than the 250 size, which means that you have to take out two tiles and requires a completely different flashing again. So this one here is for our 250 size concrete tile flashing.